Go do assassin. And I shall say, the hoarding by a nisically behind Fidi, by the hoarding, able to form, the upper and Odian. You 2 years, you 2 years, Yaka cried about Toby and Eddie. I mean, I'm about to see you to assassin.
And this year, me, Sir Mike, a Juada, Equisi, if Yada, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Na Yensia, never your phone traveling, and a compile before or minor able to me at 2 pounds.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
So I be 2 pounds. It na share, a man penny for a year. No man for no sweat me up. I'm a minor at me picture. If you're Tiffy, a quack for ye, a puye, a cusiana for. Will be a chenage. If you saw mine a cosso, if you saw mine a cosso, if you say first 1 month and 3 for, and uti and a combo television. I could fetch media to Dean, Sinupi, a day a brew, Sinupi, airman yourself, Sinupi, air and someone, ye boomosico, and a bed of Fosia, a Juada Ecusifiada, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Share na any of your phone share. And you know, may who, then shall come on with a swap, a bit in a 2 pound. Sinupi, on pen another work for saying, and Ghana.
I am a bow Ghana. It is a castle, or may you hear my. Then nam a memoir enquietino. I come there.
On pen that Mahama say.
Fertilizer, ye cry, ye throw, say ye tongue not for sale, not for sale. And no be there not to know who or who for sale. A cry for Entimian Tono. Ankafachi Chomwe. Omoma fertilizer and the hosa, Emma fertilizer and the best say.
Want to so a day and I can add for me. Ngo minor essay.
Yeah, Kuyajuma. Oh, this with him. My problem is, we are Kuyajuma. Is a bay away. Over finding in us, in our break. When we will be any over top. Into Tiana, which ran out with him.
Right, Yama, Papa, Papa, Kumawood TV, at last in us on Terre. Now, it's my dear to me at the Senator said, hey, Yada, Namia Tomoa. But now, Ellen was a dash roll, you don't know from a 40 and 9 years, and a quotidian for the bomb. I is to put a message say, or how now I live every year. Aroma, would ever including our beloved country, Ghana. But now, I want to put in an air yet. In a Punya, now, your mark, you look at Puna, move any, but if I said, there must pass more fire at the upward for mine. Do I also, I mean, I don't have a figure, in Emmanuel and Jeffrey. That fancy, William Red, not yet, and commonly, the first part of the show, you want to see as a Francis Ways, rep your candidates. You know, my 18, the parliamentary candidate hopeful for the NPC, your reps were it is, and I was a man at the amount of candidate, William Red, now animal at the we are at the Dr. Bernard Iba, a senior lecturer, Massive Technical University. Yeah, so and Uboku Aponsa, a NDC with application to member, and also high on the ever what we at you. Now, young room globally, the trade in Yasmina, the area of it 9 in set that they are done. Simpunya, na yede akuba ni musa de enyama isi ko. Biasi na yare no ebusua ekosua ekri ko no ano ebu biasi. Na endeli se opa o my Ghana so a yare ko na ni no ebusua eha ba. De bia de betna ha. Diga de betia no na asesa. Enyina ba konda. Be 2 weeks de bia da no asesa. De eda ba ko betwa mu a second day be ba no. Na diga na betwi asesa. Globally 5,249,490 5,249,490 and one I read on it Kenya on the Biasina. Now over on our squad 336,399 and only one work we are in 2,119,398 and so any one night. Dari echi woman na failure for that woman. I want to afford no equity of one at all. General Evan, 217 new cases that are recorded, with 53 more recoveries have come. One of one talk, we have come. I mean, the number of 1,901 and of still, the death toll remains at one added to the amount of iron. And on one active case, the one who get back. As in America, and I want to cost one, and say, I'm going to go to this one, and we other kind of one. They have 4,000 by 104 almost any active case. And also, so far, 187,929 tests that are conducted in our country. And also, when I'm a breakdown one in Ashanti region, 988 in Ashanti region. Greater Accra region tops with 4,699. Central region 287. Western region 195 is recorded so far. Eastern region 106. Western North region 57. Coastal region 44. Northern region 34. Motif region 26. Upper East region 26. Upper West region 21. Northeast region 2. Bono region 1. Savannah 0. And 0. And 0. So far, the good news is that 3 regions in the country been recorded. And I think that I'm very confident in the doctors or more than I did to say, and then on my end, right now, not a well, I might be ready to get to the Mura. You have to remember it. Now, I guess concerns from the Ghana for here, or maybe 245. Or more about car, a very or Maya, the 20 weeks, banking points, and your mama. I'm about to tell you, it will be quarantine. And then, yeah, and I don't know, yeah, Sana, when you have a and both. And sign and perform. And also, and I said, on COVID-19, then can I rector at the man, Professor Senade, at Africa. The professor never is F. Cornwall. In our country, Professor never is Cornwall. Or say, if you put Yama, Tapona almost say, Omodia. And Macaran puts 7 years. But that's what I was saying. Someone say more Macaran puts Galicia and 50% in 50% in Japanese. And your money is on Macaran puts one from my head. I read the Bible master. We say a project is the I was after more. I'm a get here. You said, I'm going to have a man, Mahama, any cool. I'm beginning that. I only going to go to the was but you want to get and we have ready for the electoral commission at the department of fire at the police station on where I'm a Yama actually happened. We did not know any of my doors to 300 but for now, donation efforts to a gold government hospital. Once I make I was I don't know, champions by the 2020. If you are among a war Ghana, almost a drama and tickets, not on the nation at the Sabiana. Young cop, now, and whatever camera. But the rest at the CIS so. One of us in Namua, the cat, and I've been so. One of us come from the rest of our hand. Set on Facebook, and then on YouTube, there's some that. Drop your comment, copy what I can watch now. We is
oh man, a young Ghana, a young Sagana, a Mujua, a Munipa in Yonana, and Subena, a Homecabia, the Oyan Juma, and the open and up, and Tina. Agenda 2024 Nani Woman, adjustment for crowd. 80 to Madia, one dear, yet the woman at the hospitals. And Nona, Apomudin, Ebufu, Akachi, and say young Horians, young Katayana, and near the Nona, the Babcock, and nothing the poor na kuma ɛso wɔ no bɛboa ama yɛtumi abɔ yɛ ho ban si yɛtumi yɛ saa nneɛma wɔ yi a nneɛma a ɔmo bi abɛkyɛ yɛkɔ so hohoro yɛn nsa na yɛde nose mask bi hyɛ yɛn hwene na yɛbɔ yɛ ho ban a mefiri sɛ yɛakono ɛntrɛ enti ɛno saa botaeɛ no ɛna da agenda 2020 akoma so a ɛno nti ama wɔ no ɛtu saa nano nti ne nyinaa ne sɛ yadeɛ n'ano ɛbɛsi na ɛtuo bɛtwa koraa na gu ɛno nti ɛna wɔmatu saa nano ɛde asi yɛ so a wɔmatu saa nano na ne ɛnka ahankoa nso yɛbɛsa akokɔ baabi bebree enti mefa saa akɔnnwa yi so aka kyerɛ akuakuo yɛ ɛwɔ Ghana ha ɛne asantemaa mu ha kakra biara nso a asɛm no aba no aban yɛ n'afa no deɛ ɛnso aban wɔno nko a wɔntumi nyɛ ne nyinaa enti akuakuo ankorankora yɛsrɛ wɔ no kakra biara a wobɛnya biara no wo nso ka boa na yɛmfa mmoa na yadeɛ no aseɛ ntu koraa ebi nkan regional minister yakodo ne to government ɛtɔ so ne yɛkɔ children hospital akɔyɛ nneɛma wɔ ɛnɛ yɛwɔ package ɛfa abɛtɔ yɛnwie yɛbɛfa akɔ ɔde kɔkɔ afrantwo afrantwo kɔ ne kɔkɔ no nwɛ na deɛ mɛka nyinaa kyerɛ Ghana ma ɛne sɛ yɛsrɛ mo ɔma yɛkandifoɔ no a ɔmo ka asɛm a nokura ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo ka kyerɛ ɔman no anaa nokura ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo ka kyerɛ yɛn na yɛyɛ ahotɔsoɔ aba yareɛ no ho no ɔmo a wɔn ntumi nka no ɛma mo ma yɛn a yɛyɛ te ase yɛte ase wɔ ɛman no mu no yɛnti ɔmo asɛm obi a ɔkyerɛkyerɛ pa monkata mo hwene monworo mo nsa yareɛ no ɛyɛ yare a ɛwɔ hɔ paa ɛsɛ sɛ asɔfoɔ gyina na mo kasa kyerɛ mman no na wɔn a yɛpɛ president mo gyina na mo kasa kyerɛ mman no mo deɛ aba no politics ɛna mo nsa nipa adwene yareɛ no ni hɔ obi a ɔso ɔnyɛ bi mmara no yɛhwɛ no obi a ɔyɛ sɛ mmara no yɛhwɛ no ne nyinaa ɛnna mman no yɛntu nkwa because yareɛ no yɛbaayɛ abɛsɛ yɛ adwuma yɛkɔ adwuma a yɛnta adeɛ sɛ ne nyinaa nkɔbra yɛ yareɛ ya enti yɛtu yareɛ no se mpanimfoɔ a modi anim kan monkasa mfamfee na nkɔ yɛasom na obi wɔ hɔ a ne kandifoɔ ka asɛm a ɛnyɛ nokorakora na ɔdi n'akyi sɛ me kandifoɔ sɛ yareɛ no ni hɔ na ɔdi n'akyi na mma de aban no no ɔmapa a wɔde agu n'akan mu aban papa a ɔto yɛ so wɔka nsɛmpa kyerɛ yɛn afoto wɔde ma yɛn mommɛnyae politics no yɛntie n'asɛm yɛnto yareɛ no ase na Ghana yɛmfa yɛn nto mapɛmfra yareɛ no anim NDC anim NPP anim CPP anim ɔsɔfoɔ biara no nkɔlaa enti masɛm a meka no sɛ akandifoɔ a wɔde nsɛmpama yɛn no mommɛntie n'asɛm no yɛne n'akyi yareɛ deɛ mete ne din koraa ne mehu deɛ menyɛ me ho yɛteɛ baabi yɛnte hwee yareɛ bɛ yɛsɛ yɛ China yareɛ ɛsɛ Ghana deɛ awia bɔ yɛn ebi nkyeɛ na yɛdeɛ yɛafo yɛ ho yɛde nneɛma di agorɔ yɛhwɛ yɛa ne sɛ nkurɔfoɔ de bi fifiri baabi abɛpie mu wɔ yɛ man ɔmu de abɛpie mu adeɛ na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyi deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyi a yɛ president Abanpa Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo wɔkyerɛkyerɛ yɛyi ɛsɛ yɛnyɛ yɛdi n'asɛm so a ɛbɛyɛ yie enti yɛyɛto yɛn ho akyɛ sɛ yɛyɛ MPP foɔ mmaa na yɛdi aban n'akyi deɛ ɛkyɛ sɛ n'ani abere a yɛne n'ani na ɛbɛbere yɛne di a yɛne n'ani na agye enti saa mmerɛ yi a yɛ papa wɔresu papa yi gyina TV so a na awerɛhoɔ aka me ɔgyina TV so a na meti ne suo kyɛ sɛ papa no wɔasesa wotumi ho sɛ wɔyɛ aban pa wɔyɛ Ghanafoɔ agya wotumi sɛ asɛm ato no enti sɛ asɛm ato yɛ aban deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛso yɛtwa ntoma fi yɛbo na yɛboa no na yareɛ no yɛko ne yɛtu ase ɛno nti ne yɛyɛ deɛ yɛyɛ nyina ɛne sɛ naano a yɛkɔɔ regional minister hɔ a yɛsan kɔɔ children's hospital no ankaragye yɛ nnua no mu bebree kɛgye tie kuo bebree wɔ hɔ mewɔ hɔ na weyɛba nana mpaakye wɔ hɔ na mpɛ sɛ mekɔ regional minister hɔ ɛkwan bɛɛ ne mɛfa so na makyerɛ no mama ne namba wokɔ a woso fa sika kɔto COVID-19 account no ebi so wobusa me nana yɛbɛyɛ dɛn na ɛnoɔma no yɛso yɛtumi akɔkyɛ bi na mede deputy regional minister number ama wɔ mu wokɔ maa hɔ a wɔyɛ Ghana Kumasi deɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛ maame no wo a wobɛkɔ biara ne pon no wɔbie da hɔ ɔbɛgye wɔ a wɔatu na wodi w'anim na wode nneɛma no akɔ na ɔkɔyɛ adeɛ a ɛfɛ na bɛtie nyinaa yɛnim wɔ Ghana man na abibiman nyinaa no obiara ho sɛ Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɔno ne man Ghana deɛ wɔyɛ ne yie ɔtoto ne yie wɔto yareɛ no ase kyerɛ sɛ Amerikafoɔ kora atwitwa ama Nana Spainfoɔ atwitwa Italy atwitwa kyerɛ sɛ wɔayɛ adeɛ contact tracing no wɔayɛ adeɛ ama sɛ yareɛ no obi a wɔ bibia no sɛ kyewa nkurɔfoɔ a ne wɔn di ahyia nyinaa ɔhwɛ sɛ yɛkɔ akɔfo wɔn nyinaa ba na yɛahwɛ na wɔn nyinaa so yɛakyɛke wɔn mu ɛno nti onyame adom ama yareɛ no anyɛ bebrebe wɔ Ghana ha aban papa a yɛwɔ no nsira anyɛ bebrebe nti yɛsrɛ mo yɛhohoro yɛn nsa yɛnkatakata yɛn ano na yɛnyɛ nneɛma a aban no sɛ yɛnyɛ no na yɛntu mpɔn afei nso so wɔbi nya bi na wɔkɔda hospital ba ɛyɛ onyame ana ɔyɛ yɛadom ana nipa no ne ho ɔtɔ no wɔbi kɔda hospital ba afei ne yɛtetee no ne ba koraa kɔtɔ adeɛ a yɛtetee ne ba ɔno ɛkɔtɔ adeɛ a yɛma ne bi ntɔ adwuma a wɔ mu yɛyi n'adi na moyi n'adi wɔnkɔde gyina yi moma yɛnka yɛ nnua no saa mmerɛ no kora duru so a yɛnka no mmra yɛ ho
right yɛsan ɛmɛhwɛfo apaaba ɛmfa Kuma TV on Sinupi yɛgu so Sinupi yɛhwɛ sɛdeɛ ɔman no bɛkɔ so a ɛbɛtumi atu mpɔnhyɛ ne so sɛ wobɛtumi ahwɛ live on Facebook wokɔ Kuma TV on Facebook wo like a na wahyɛ ɛso ɛde ama foforɔ saa nso ɛna on YouTube Samdakus TV yɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ aha the first batch of the program no medical catch sɛ yɛne benfo ahodoɔ ɛna ɛno bɛdi nkɔmmɔ na video ɛkɔhwɛ yi ɛyɛ mmɔden bɔ a champion for the 2020 a wɔn wɔ Asante Mantam before maame yɛasɛ wabo nsu ɛne napamfo ne deputy Ashanti regional minister wɔn akabo mu a wɔn ɛyɛ ɛde ama ayarasabea ahodoɔ ɛne afei nso wɔn a wɔn ɛdi bie yɛn mo wɔ ba so na yɛn nso mu nkura sɛ ɛwɔ nso bɛtumi ayɛ bi ɛde aboa ama yɛn nyinaa together yɛ fight COVID-19 from our country ame nkɔmɔ yɛn mpanyinfo yɛ akɔ aba na afei yɛn hyɛ aseɛ ɛni nkɔmɔ set Kodo Boateng representing honourable Kankam member of parliament ɛwɔ Nhyiaeɛ constituency saa nso ɛna honourable Akwasi Appiah Patase electoral area assembly member ɔno nso representing the CEO ɛde ma Maslow Stephen Amwa aka Stika ene say bi nso wɔ bɛyɛ anka Stika step down na honourable Kankam ɔnkɔ ɔbɛ step down anaasɛ ɔn step down ɔkɔ so a ɔbɛwini anaasɛ ɛbɛdada no set akwaba bibi awɔkɔ go ɔnɔ akwaba bibi awɔkɔ
nyame adom te tɔre biɛ
tɔre biɛ yɛ tɔre biɛ nso nyɛ
sɛ nipa deɛ ntumi nyɛ ne nyinaa pɛ sa te tɔre biɛ
ba mo akyɛ sɛ bɛ politician so mehwɛ set ataadeɛ no atum sɛ yes na aban na wa abɛn mu amba sɛ set nso san yɛ secretary ɛde ma Syria college ɔyɛ mpp fo nyinaa so Asante region nti nneɛma wɔ mu yɛ anisa ana ana wɔ pii so na wɔ so yɛmpi ɛna wɔ so ɛna mehwɛ Maslow bɔ nso a t-shirt no yɛ kama i party fɔ nkwa na ɛhyɛ ana
obi na yɛkyɛe
ɔde kyɛɛ mu ok right yɛnhyɛ aseɛ wo na waban ɛwɔ so member of parliament ɔte so na obi so butu ɛdeɛ nti na ɛwɔ sɛ delegates ɛne amanfoɔ mu wɔ Nhyiaeɛ so constituency ɔmo etimi ɛhwɛ ɛto akɔna akɔna nkankan so
sɛnɛ ɛna was na magya producers na so ebi pa na manchia otonfo to say to the second baby wo bia na machia president na Dankwa Akufo-Addo when my pa and they said the COVID-19 by was ya sum which I wear leaders na ɔmo bɔ na baso say the way as na yes ya 100 year ama where the organization kra no etu nipa ɔmo ma baso ɔmo le nchi ɔmo kwan a the first year the dia la relent ni anti ase the papa na senya ka tin ko so ni a tin share so dia ma dan share so from the before and before ni ahema anything through when you deal with Nhyiaeɛ so when it comes to politics never can come yɛkyea no baabi obia ne nim apa wɔ wɔne aka kyɛ nkɔpɔn sɛ wɔma nam wɔpɛ ne na de ka baabi obia yɛkyea no ɛne party executive ɔne yɛ kyam ne ada police station executives no saa bɛ mema no so wɔhwɛ wo nti mɛkyea wɔ Benis Isaac Wrestler ɛna Henry wɔn nyinaa aboa tɛne so
yɛkyea wo nyinaa
sɛ ma gyina obisa sɛ debate na ɛsɛ ɔtoa yɛwura kane kɔsi kankam so yɛwura kane kɔsi kankam yɛ obi a yɛka nhyiaeɛ so asɛm a ne wɔni ɔyɛ obi a started from grassroots ɛdurudo na wotwe sɛ yɛfrɛ constituency bi a ne yɛfrɛ no Florida ɛnsɛ wɔkɔ America Florida ne so paa yɛba equality sɛ ɔmɔto aba bintia ne yɛfrɛ Florida ne sɛ na wɔhwɛ bantima wada so nyinaa bɛfa na ne ebom saa tuma abranti ne ogyina mu as youth organizer for NPP party wɔbɔ dwumason saa time ne mu ma ayɛ baaka hɔ na ɔmamene kufoɔ time no odidi mu a bɛyɛ regional organizer regional youth organizer ofiri hɔ bɛyɛ organizer no wɔdi mpanimfoɔ bi na ase nkakra nti duru bi a ohun sɛ yankasa yɛ papa Dr. Richard Anane na wɔtwa nhyiaeɛ so ha na ne yɛ so wakɔ akyɛ wawo ne yɛ politics wakɔ akyɛ na aberantɛ no wɔanyɛ nea ho ɔkɔnsɔɔto mpanimfoɔ wɔ nhyiaeɛ so ha ɛyɛ sɛ ɔno nso bɛkɔm ɔkɔyɛ sɛ no si ahene ne yɛto ahenefoɔ ɛde maa ne sɛ wɔnni party no na sɛ Mike ɔbaayɛ no yɛhwɛ dwuma pa a aberantɛ no yɛbɔ a ɛmɔ no na asɛm ɔfrɛs na ne yɛ ma ɔyɛ obi a ɔyɛ local boy aha ne yɛwɔ na ha ne yɛtetɛ no ɔmo ofi kyerɛ yɛ adeɛ bɛba ɛhɔ ne ofiri nti aha ne wɔdi agorɔ baabi a wogye nyinaa ne wɔdi agorɔ nti aberanteɛ no yɛ obi a ɔbaayɛ no onim the dynamics of nhyiaeɛ so nti onim baabiara sɛ owura a obiara deɛ ɛsɛ bɛba adeɛ nipa pa sɛ han saa wopɛ sɔkoban sisi a yɛkɔ sɔkoban sisi a ebi asɔkoban sɔ bɛka kyɛm sɛ ɔmo pɛ nsuo bɛɛbi ba a modo a monka sɛ ɔmo pɛ nsuo nti ɔno ɔbaayɛ no ɔkɔnsɔlto ahemfo no na ɛde bɛ na mohwɛ a mohia no wɔ ha ne adeade wohwɛ a ɔba no ɔka biribi sɛ wohwɛ wɔkɔ yi so nyinaa ɛsɛ wɔkɔ Socialite road na yɛwɔ secondary school wɔ hɔ wofa Boase road ɛkɔ na yɛwɔ secondary school wɔ hɔ a yɛwɔ Kokoa dɔɔse nhyɛɛ so no apart from this road na ɛkɔ akɔsi trɛdɛ no na yɛnni biribi a ɛfɛ secondary school wɔ hɔ nti ɔhyɛ yɛbɔ sɛ sɛ ɔba a ɔbɛtraa sɛ ɔbɛkɛ secondary school na ɔde abɛsi yɛmpɛ sa
ɛno yɛ the campaign message odi kan yɛ asɛ no mfɔba ma
yes
okay
ɔka sɛ ɔbɛtraa sɛ baabi
ɛnyɛ secondary
school a
ɛwɔ nhyɛ so
ɛbɛsa bɛka deɛ ɔwɔ dada no ɔbɛyɛ ampa saa berɛ mu na wɔka sɛ wokɔ sɛ ɔbɛban a secondary school fɛfɛfɛfɛfɛ ɛsi hɔ a obiara bi mu adanse woyɛ gyɛnɛɛmdɛwodi saa adanse wohwɛ saa kware a yesu sa ne yɛba ne ɛsi hɔ ɛsɛ memɛfiri daban na ɛfiri asafo bɛsena kɔ me kurom a wobɛsi wɔ kaa sɛ ne wafa bi abɛsia na wanam fitukwan bi mu akɔda hɔ bɛne yɛfrɛ ha ɔbɛkwae do aha na ne kwan nam a yɛkɔ but from yɛn na nam tɛ kyɛn kɔ mo tɛ na mo yɛ sɛ mo bɛyɛ saa kwan yi ɔmo yɛ menyin sɛ saa kwan na yɛwura kan kankan kora na ebia ne awɔ no saa kwan no yɛ da bɛɛbrɛ bɛnya akonya no ɔka kyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛtra sɛ saa kwan yi no ɔbɛma yɛ ndɔgo do na saa yɛ din a na ɛda hɔ no adeɛ ama no te sɛ saa bɛka no wowɔ kwan no nam ne kuro no mfirifiri pɛ ɛna saa kwan kyɛn kɔ mo tɛ mo bɛyɛ no ɛna mo yikɔ yi kuro ɛto kuro n'anim but because of say aberantuo ne abɛn champion time no saa deɛ no etu ne nti deɛ ntumi antoa so ɛma kwan no kɔda santaase ɔbaa yɛ no ɔso ɔyɛ ɔbɛtumi ayɛ yɛwuye nnam yɛ wɔn sɔre tia wɔte wɔfra bebree bi kura yɛ kasa ano radio so ɛna mo kakyɛ wɔsɛ papa no sɛ ɔbɛyɛ dɔbɔduro yɛte sɛ mmiri bebree kasɛ ɛma so ampa ɔbɛyɛ break kakraka break de deɛ yɛ tia no sɛ yɛ sɛ o break no ano yie ɛsi yɛ bu ni adeade ɛnɛ bridge no yɛbia to mu a sɛsɛ wokɔ ɛkwan no fɛ yɛbia mu kakrakaa a deɛ sɛ wɔyɛ biara no ɔyɛ ama saa adeba bubu na yɛ no
central government project anaasɛ ɛbi project
bɛka sɛ bi akyɛw ɛsɛ mɛna wɔkasa me sɛ ɛyɛ kwan yɛda hɔ dada nti ɛyɛ kwan yɛda hɔ dada adeɛ a sɛ yɛ obi na bɛkɔ akɔka sɛ saa kwan yɛ da hɔ obi nyɛ anaasɛ wohyɛ te sɛ obi ɛnti na wonya leader a ɔtumi lɔbi adebe da ho but one no kan yeso putu me na ayede o te de kan en papa no boy no su ja no o te de kan mi se kwan na ese ye ampa ye because me betra na ba me fan 20 years mo ye hu contractors o ma pass be we ba so be ye edu be pra tames ba no de sakete bi ku so double road na ma so don do ba o che say chincha double e mo ye ka say ye ti bi mo no na review so amfa ke me ani ade be ko say me de me say ye be ya de ani ye say fa ke me say amfa ke me project ni ye ye ka say illegal project ye na te say ne boshen a o kai na bem o mo ka ne say yes no eni o mo so nam kwan ni so eno so de ni nyam abre ye hwa o ba ye no o community day school sa na e wo ho o hwe say school year wa hai sa kam na ye friends mass school ana ye gam ye private school se so aboma dia ma abande na mo akodi mo asese boarding house kra ye school year wo opoku are opposite we vocational school na se se abaya de ne sa so o ka se school no boy no so kan be so so no ma no so ye ni wa ye so ye ni o twa o ba ye no bosia kakra so de ma edabifo edu be go ma 1000
and no de ma ho
o de ma Ghana fo ye so mo ye
delegate ana
delegate ya bi o so ye Ghana ni se ma
but we just say specific to delegate
o de ma Ghana fo Ghana ni a o ye bi ma bia o ma 1000 because me need to delegate me tie se delegate na me 1000 and tell me Ghana sure me need to MP before you delegate ko you fit to you fit o my way it say bia me nie bi ma ya they be see me kwan say ye ma me 1000 e bo enti papa ga no mo re kan wa ba oba ye ni le kwa yi a say ma awo say me say ye nua bi egu a o kan mo as police agents ni ye kwa yi obi se minister intimate ye de kwato pa bi ni mo se mo to me bo afa na ma me first year second year e be ka de betimi ayi papa ni obi a o ye man of action for kan se me chana so one thing and then you will live in taxes e wa e one bi a
na hu de asset
na yes taxes na nem na otoma police station bia ai letter area bia se enye aduma ho na se obi twi taxi wo ho a se go twi taxi wo ho e twi ye taxi o te soko ban onye aduma ho ye
no e aduma ma hwan
enye aduma ma constituency na
Scarlet constituency na council
okay enko be bia o me ye secretary to sa sikani mu bi what you say can you can only scanning go there is it ye ko yi ya ye fru obi musan e say e dia chairman ana say ye wa kanadi ye ko yi wa e di nyan say be ko ya council ni ye uska de mu ya ye ta ye say be bo nsan say wasa mi ya say so we papa or dread that kintina sika mi si bi nyan sa to bi nkan I can tell you say by next year tax no go say so ko ma de na mo na ye ba bu na yi. This is a man I can't answer. Bus. And someone make any answer, not true. Bus. Or buy near a year. Say I did this kid behind back bus. Near side B. Up one side. And some was some more come best after bus. The debate of the bus. What top bus? I'm a constituency. They say so. For 7 years, you want so when you be the year one and the other. Bus is constituency office. Ko ka tell benefit na de ko na wo ko dia ko no so de petrol di begum no mem mo da se wo beto petrol o ko ye na be mo twa kwan na wo ko na o mo twa mo petrol gum fa kwa da sa fa bra fa bi si wo
is part no bus okay
me ka se brebi na your party office bi wo o tra o sani akọ friends pass and old office one e twa kwan na e fiebra na de fa sa ta so be ko press watum o be ko na obi anti ho because now rent is 7 years high papa buy wa ko di ultra modern office e dia ma party no be kwai wan about a year a wo twom a de mu nyam bre share so e share so na e simple ni 40 yan first one because sa office na this one na nyam fata share so and no do yes office one na say my say ka o emre o man ka be more pictures no cho to your viewers in office wa o si wo office air condition bi bia ye aduma say ye wo administrator what you dey bia 24 hours I pianka and this is now because you see atum e bia secretary no administrator bi any one
yɛnyɛ fɛsi ma me na afei menkɔ nuamɔbra
ɛno ma ne dɔɔso
wotwa ne common fund anaasɛ ɛfiri he
sɛ maye ɛsɛ ɛnɔma a mekeka nyina sɛ wohwɛ nnɔma a mbɔbɔ so no nyinaa mɛsɛ dɛ ɛni hɔ either it's a common fund anaasɛ free bottom anaasɛ is the MP who is doing it hwɛ either rules te sɛ a mebɛ sɛ wobɔ adwuma wohwɛ yɛ woawɔ kwan so wɔn sɛ yɛ yɛ bɔ so a yɛ cars ni si wɔ yɛ sɛ no cars ni si wɔ a wɔyɛ wɔn bɛ gu bɛ this is a man na yɛ ka ne ho asɛm kɔɔde ne ho kɔɔda so kɔ Pataase Old Town start prayer twitwa twitwa wɔn yɛ ho ahyia nyinaa okɔ Santaase yɛ fun no drums a yɛkɔyɛ wɔ hɔ ɛnɛ obi ɛkɔ yi a ɔnkɔman canopy so adeɛ a yɛfo ne amanfoɔ de to ne kɔma sɛ aha yɛ yi a nsuo no ɛtaataa ha yɛ fefa yɛ ɛnɛ kɔhwɛ adeɛ a papa na yɛ no hɔ yɛde no to nkyɛn a community police mmea ne kuro daban sɛ ma yɛ nipa maako 5 ɛna wɔ community police si a saa tam na wɔn ti fi wɔn wie school ɛnɛ papa yi ba yɛ wɔse nkuro mu ni adwuma yɛ a wɔn wie school wɔn ti fi no saa na wɔn wie nyina
mɛsa ba hɔ
sɛ ma yɛ sɛ ɛka deɛ yɛ ba
mɛsa ba we ɛyɛ rep your candidate Nhyia constituency ɛde ɛwɔ a ebi so a yɛ edi nkɔmɔ who wins Nhyia so seat for the NPP ɛbɛyɛ sticker Stephen Amwa CEO Maslow anaasɛ honorable Kennedy Kankam ɔno ɛna betumi ɛwi ni ɛho nkɔmɔ ne yɛdi na wotumi sɛ honorable Kennedy Kankam nyuma a wayɛ no ɛna ne rep sets abobɔ obi so ɛtumi ɛde akyerɛ no na sɛ na mɛredi message wei ansa but wɔn fa adeɛ brown 054 0543 596 076 0543 596 070 with me with message number WhatsApp or the Bible nyama kan ɛtumi de amana obi dia ode aba or say good evening sir please tell the MP rep to tell the truth that school is not for them. It is Tawhid Senior High School who are trying to relocate to the area. They should be truthful. Okay, and also they know. All right, I'm in Tawhid. I am for Sunina. Honorable Apia. Yeah. Said the Nkanyama said that in India. We can say the baby of Potokonyan. Honorable can come. Any man why you may. I understand no ano mo de mo se o se Stephen Amwa stikaba na obeso constituency
Kennedy ka menchia na menchia woni wadwumayefo ave menchia kurura elo tumfo na enchia ne bi nkoso na na beso anado ye obi a wose Ghana for ye dane e bompa ya ye de nyame ase pa se wode ne ma ye great see oba ye se ye hwe aban bia asesa after 8 years bia no aban bia no about me born more first 4 years and another buy and 3 years na new man why no bit we compare with 8 years na 2 years nti na ko nsha na afi o man na ansa na amode ya bit we ya afi me chia eraste na mo the incoming MP for chia iso na me chia etu ahene ne esi ahene fo a onwo chia iso afi chia iso ahene fo be 23 if my memory serves me right 23 24 omo ina be chia mo afi chia iso fo nyina afi me chia yera Kennedy Kankam so wasama usa me no se edi nti na adwuma na waye nyina e pese yitum na yema eraste na mo eba ida spa na me abeti we ya ka omo lidi omo ya front line na ma era Kennedy Kankam 2015 na we ni patra na ka
una mutu doctor
na tu doctor
oh okay
na me a man of principle e ubia and then di what you know can touch me back me sir you know see me okay that is my lifestyle and no that check crown one me 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 ko am yefun me mo me trust na my assessment me mo say the new man see ko e be bo am ko fa na e mo wo me for into the year 2015 2012 700 we organize rally Emma Dr. Anani oh me am fi I used 2 MCs or I can say on my of Kesben FM.
Okay.
And a short guy and a walk. A chef, no heba.
Okay.
A friend in Nurana.
Ubadima.
Only
is what this is.
good. Only in the Bay MCs. Now, Miniane ya wine I begin to cry. Ye 5 best ministers are Ghana and a walk. Yeah, can't say, yeah, democracy one. Ultimately, Dr. Anna Infree. In 2012, the message on the ground is, Doctor, you don't have any performance. I'm seeing you come from the power of the year, Juma, or lobby near my back, but you need to say, you see, be one. You're to about me. What am I on? In 2012, you're bread, power, Sana, Doctor. Yes, I went in power. Then 2016, the same thing happened. So that time, I made press assemblyman. The first time. In 2015, no, the call rounds and the message on the ground is if you bring Dr. Alane again, we will not vote for him. That was why I told Doctor straight up, catch them when he said, Doctor, I'm not going to tomorrow because in she also forced it to Abamawa and it to Abama. And somebody may came who son assembly, no, they wine. And say the central government project bar. You come on for him, Sassi.
Why not?
Yeah, the central government project bar have insurance for the Sassi. Yeah, the central government project bar. You can't say HIPIC fund, you Sassi. If you are telling me, sir, is it only in Sheheso and a central government project in Koswana? Masa, in whole Ghana, about 1,700 schools. Search. About infrastructure. KSTS. Do you know how the infrastructure at KSTS came to existence? Me a board member of KSTS. One of our meetings, and a deputy education minister, Edutumba. Oba Haruna Kochian was the enemy, and I'm seeing a headmaster Haruna. Was the young baby man Kolantina and call a council lecture. In your baby more money. Or so, Montreal let them bra. I won't find my ear, Miss Square, won't find my secretary on from Rankai. I'm going to give you 36 classroom block. One girls dormitory, one boys dormitory, and the project is going on. And the whole Ghana. If you
we are on whole kind of so combined with news can do when you new crowd.
Senior, so message nearby. Yes, my Tahidi there. One Casasuma won't call for long, then person may make come and I want them. Go to the grounds and find out the genesis of this room. The only person they can say, some taxi are welcome once a me. Show why I am missionary. Auto taxi mamma, and even at the room. Who auto taxi champion, even at the room.
Me touch a what? I said, no,
or touch a man to wood in the room. Okay. And you would taxi in the moon show on TV, so near with you. But I was a music in a party when it doesn't matter. Master, come, you see a town, you see a town and 9 electoral areas. Patasi electoral area. Only 2. Your Patasi North Patasi South. You were a soccer mine. You were Atasimaso. You were a Apramai. Any others. 9. And I don't see Canada was a command. It's a more managing car. Some of the idea more managing. And to where the Canada was a command.
Also, now probably a signature to one of
a signature to who? To who? You must have no more. The entire person to Abama. You must have no more from the scratch. Why get party Juma said you know Kennedy can come here party Juma. Massa, I never be new. Kennedy Kankan was perfect and good as an organizer. But he's not better. He's not good. He's not performing as an MP. Go to the grounds and make your own research with your people. If you call 4 people on the grounds, 3 will tell you that they don't want Kennedy Kankan to become an MP again.
MP or buyer, what to me, I'm not constituency office. One more car. MP because be about 12 years, 16 years, 20 years. It be going to be double.
Minya, Patron, you want to tell me, or buy net one thing. Near to office, one this office, a man. All by the company, one can so behind the mine. or say in his first year, or we see modify edifice. Am I? So okay.
Oh, okay.
I was with him. Such a brown campaign. Me and campaign. What did I say? Enti say adwuma aban central government. I'm say in the central government dey near you. Adwuma koso nhye eso nyina ya ona wo Kennedy kan come here. With central I can say government fund. Enti do you know the amount of common fund we get in a year?
Stick up over there.
Stick up what you do the common fund alongside the central government project. Stick up you know what he has done. Last year, we Kwame Patas minya 21 scholarships. And the man one more a change now. 120 million. Organized that's 12,000 something. The lowest in the scholarship was 3,000. If you call Christian service, if you call Winneba, if you call Legon, if you call Abuchi, I got 21 million. He acquired about 70 something scholarships. Assembly members will testify to what I'm saying. He lobbied and gave us energy, lead energy board, 20 each to the assembly members. And you recently brought some my lights. Say and chama and call for on the way of Pessuaso.
Light and empty mamu.
Maybe maybe that. Oh, maybe that. On Friday, so we met the lights. Intimate come on. If you are not moving, we are the only one. Intimate, me call for one. Said you're not electricity, then you're break. Say the doctor and a bar. Young Twabaman. This time it has tripled. I'm not joking. Yes, 677 delegates, including the you can say the MP and the executives. Massa. Messi at 12 we mean less than 400 IRA.
Sticking out less than 400.
Oh, 400 IRA. I know what I'm talking about.
The information is in beneficent Kabaya Costa Koda.
And when you find a Canadian soon, Obio Casa Bianca, me say it's not good to disclose Penny and anything common. And now I was with Penny. This man I don't know. Chairman Dokar was called. Huh? He was told to talk to his people. That they are convincing Sticker to step down, but will not accept it.
Montias.
Yes, yes.
Sticker ma at the end of this.
Yes, yes, da. I don't know why. As I said, what all commandama. Or you can't say Nanadu Motum. You can't or Kasa or Parliament or finance home. Emma Bina. Can you, you can't say, put aside a Ochama budget? And yes, as I watching ever, John Kuma, Uncle Bishop. Why is the car? I don't know if you're able to see your man. You're getting your man.
Okay, one is a NPM one.
NPM why?
And you also pussy for.
The lobbying skills were form. He is not performing. You and me know. And let's have a tell make one casa. What do you say you to China from the research?
Okay. I was for you didn't come up in shares constituency. Honorable Abasia Pia, Patasi. Electoral assembly member and then campaign team member at the honorable Stephen Amwastika CEO Maslow and our day at right, Mr. Kakabia Mamini and also Eva in free hop Nanama Dabai or say Zemai, it is possible to take up window. Okay, Nanama dear and no or say I live at Atunsu. But then I vote at Inshaya, so please tell the delegates to vote for Honorable Kirikankan because he has performed 99.3% than the member of parliament for Atunsu area. So Atunsu has okay, and so right. Honorable Fakir is also. What did you?
I thought let me also a man of principle. In Chankanism of the Kenyan and Kaminia, who's beyond from children.
When I was blue more.
Oh. Into me being an upper catcher down a man and after school is when you try school. I pay you.
Must be the
I want to say, must have been a Babu Sanas and was say, Kofonko Busa school. Try school, means international private school.
Yes,
never.
It was a private school.
It was a private school. Yes. enti twahim school no na ɛba ha no asa to ɔmo di mu tinjan te sɛ de kwan bɛyɛ ɔmo ɛsɛ Kemofo school no ɛna si hɔ no sɛ my I can tell you on authority say school no yɛn fa twahim de go no mark my words de bia sɛ school ni bia de bia no next academic year me ne mu yɛ mbɛsa bɛtena mɛ pɛtɛ papa yi bɛba bɛtena mu 2 boss sɛ my I think sɛ me kɔ boss me bi sɛn de o yɛ gba kan de kusi kan kam de ma
or assembly member also nya
me they tell when you have been said they want they come over from the window and when you don't want to see you will not see they wanna you to about they be you can it can come and you nya and go for be sorry say when you say or you see it no na ya several no ka say ka go friend you mu ma ka go friend this na before you e don't start to campaign no first day to can the you can come so
na ona go see no or a leading campaign to member for
I know what is going on here.
Okay.
And boy, they never started no. Satan over come in interview we me ne wa unia kan se fakan. What kind of doctor can we share so? These are the people you don't have to come them go for no be let say. Omo na yes ade.
Don't go control us.
Mr. Doctor Mr. Doctor Kwan, I'm going to get no. Me, I was part of the analyst team and the campaign. Satan money of primacy. And you really know. Party number, I just say you candidate. I have to support the candidate. I don't know. It will be party number to say maybe a year. They want me to convince me to say party number man I open. If the other assassin is the man comes to a friend. Okay, did the young matter. Side group ya ta go mu district kitchen to be sir me mera and then depend na answer me say group ya mu dey 2 was a taxi na o hwan di le gumo atoma constituency dey nina and can go for me di le gumo and I say on fa hwan na fa me gumo
say dey an electoral area
electoral me dey obi e gumo so o die ni me go enti na udi gun fa udi ndi
enti o register the name of the party and also no ndi mu
ya party be na e wa ha onu je MP what's my taxi amount it's like what talk am be say you know your friend say my friend say work and pay no what work and pay ni pa na wo twi work and pay no onu ni di gun that means we are can over that just so agreement agreement and the go na ya chino ya fa ni nse no say right because say boss no say ya duma mama boss ni ti party office no ya duma mama it's work 24 hours 7 days a week so that's the year I don't go
677
and then I'm a man of principle say right and come on quite time you go audio can you be
next time yeah and then mama say
Sunday na dey see and no monam
anyway see
who first we say be you ma me meti me nta sa na be ka kire say yes the ka any honorable political I challenge opponent and no I will angel FM so on for adie and my host say signatures no or not to be 400 say signatures 400 woman more than 400 ammonia and then was the cat and I'm saying ammonia about 360 we don't know which is which now me present me cat from say I call you move to echo this signatures now we know what is going on one of the other na say about the bread that is low obian say man as a man me dey our program so me ka ba fa mom for me wrong for dey me never one wa say o de ku TV aso
e palace no going for na na
o mo nya ni 500 enwa de ma e office me mo e so mo ba ni to mu di na chi a o so mo pre evidence ya ko ma president say e bi mu support no formula force na ye force ni say to see ye be ha no when after the evidence of it wasema masema mabeka no angel no mu tape ni man asema yewra chairman Bokara bekan eni mo no wade by evidence say you missing me visa and the evidence say onko and on angel FM scholarship oh araho na yes 77 odi ma te twa so was ya wo no wo Ebanama, first scholarship.
What's the baby? What is 70 pounds?
Mianga Sabiku, Dabaka to one. Telegrama University scholarship. Marco 25.
All that one more. Investing.
Yes. I'm crown. And another time by from time with this. Everyone get the
information. Anybody when you scholarship for you.
Information. Many man of principle. The minimum American. That made up my
25.
And the bar is not the only place. Are you reckoning can come to you? Or no, you'll be our child here. Or someone is will be after. Check that we do. Check one from the sewer. And then when I'm in different week, I said, one time in that minimum, I'm here. Those are coming to the more assembly man to you. And the new guy can come back to a person where assembly man. And they are always out of common fund. What's that?
But is there
a me assembly man. I'm going to put your uncle. And I make this question. And your mama. What will take care of me? And I make some man and tell one test on the 20th. What the common family? Common family, you have the right to overstand or something. He is an official member of the assembly. He is an official member of the assembly. Or what would make Busan say? Or common family, what they are not common family, Busan say. What you Busano? As he had the question himself. Yes, sir, MP, some MP, Nicoviana. Now, almost more okay, everyone. So, assembly man. Never said, honestly, common fund, I have to assembly and assembly members. On another day,
yes, you're not
me was said what talk. It didn't write in the work with us.
Maybe dinner,
Find a Thomas.
Young Thomas.
Obi the car so chawa on one in
also a man in what the car tower. What the car check, what the check of the boat. Wait, this one is something. Okay, you talking to me as an individual. Already in the car.
My daughter is actually the car. No, you should actually. On one in we mistake of us at the okay. And himself do Kruma. Me need him for a hint. A first one. No, I channel software in our car. You're 20 soon. On one being the work person soon. The following years may be a car for. No, I take an in an hour when you're be as a car on one again. Until BBC with me. She said, we'll be so tower there. Or doctor not talk, and then I can on your car. Thank you, sir.
My man coming in 2017. 2017. Before Sabe Casas, Busa, you say, or qua Omisa, you can come here as official member. I will KM in the set that Ben will buy meetings. Now, local governments, you're planning free from your fat structure in your Jojo. Committee levels here, near deliberations. Oh, assembly. We are here to now call parliament for Gazette. And you know, see parliament in the area of former ABP. And I'm so how we privy to, and you might outprove it. Because of our baby son, Sabani Agri. Kumasa Huno, came at this almost on my 3 years no mark here in the meeting, Bacoplata. I'm telling you, I'm not joking, I'm telling you. What your own some near resources, medicine. The actor should be one person, not make time. You can't say, I'm not the Bible. Engineer Tapoku, with assembly, was given an assignment. Assignment here said, then time 10 sub-metros, 10 constituencies, rather. Now, assignment to the mind said, young come to, why I say, our Ashanti region, do you know the stretch of road in Nyanasi? Go and ask him. Or what knowledge of him. It was 1,692.
NPDR, so
remember. 1,692. Now 1,692. It was made in a booklet form. Go to KMA and do research. Yep, me patron me chasu tete ani amu. The call yana now say, I don't have this money.
near me one bit me 100 kilometer road, stretch of road, at the Ama, Ashanti region.
Yeah.
It wasn't a lobby from any MP. Insurance was given 9.5. Bantama was given 14 kilometer road. Mention of South 14 kilometer road. Kwadaso enya 8.3. I don't know was it a lobbying skills of an MP? What the only lobby by the Damascene? Maybe I told you, yeah, Damascene. Near ya lobby near now. One real apple, sama. No problem to make. Ye son your money in our tonchaya. Ya the common fund, Dr. Anani and I Udina Chino. You know, send the common fund the bar or the party office. Now, yeah, the structure near the Ama scholarship. Okay. All that we want to know is a common fund until the
all right. But I say, we any free insurance, so Kwame Owusu Donko or say, insurance constituency would opt, no person in insurance constituency would opt for an MP whose only asset he claims is eloquency. They prefer to see infrastructure development. Please, Mr. Host, ask him again about the Sokoban SHS, a question he failed to willfully answer. To cure honorables appears ignorance. We have bank account for all the taxes for which the MP is not a signatory to any. A principal signatory to all of them, and I know that I am talking about. I listened to him, and he offered no credible alternative. Okay, and also thanks so much for wonderful program. But truly speaking, Inshayaso need a change. Honorable Kennedy Kankam did not keep to his promise for meeting his constituents every 3 months, but he has failed us. Even lockdown, he turned his back on us. Wow. Right, maybe I'm going to few calls 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Also with me afraid na ya do adenche oba na follow the volume of your TV set na fe yetimi atebunka 0200 603 602. We will say good evening, Sir Mike. I like the show. Please tell Honorable Kennedy Kankam that we cannot offer him our tongue again. We are fed up with him. Ghanaians and NPP are wise now. You can't cheat us with this scam. Okay.
Yes, hello.
Yes, hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Sir Mike.
Senior, we never have free.
Yeah, from the FTD. With free HS at Masu. Me go about to we do again and me boss set so abaso at sema work am utie me sema work am and sema emu pigi papa if you say be can prep honorable Abesi appears as a man of principle but utie no a and throw the door
so with me at home can two fra now I understand.
Hello.
Good evening. Okay, 0200 603 602. Oh, Friday TV show. In Juma volume no, TV volume no from now to our phone. A better come FF now. Your person can be answered to me. I am ready to FF few calls, but 0200 603 602. You didn't come up ever in shares constituency. We rep your candidate, Honorable Stephen Amwat. Good
evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, me chapa the producer.
Okay.
Dr. Penny Omilia. Dr. Penny. Kaka Dr. Penny can shirt that by except I thought to be familiar to but really because they can come as I in some support to the but yeah, because I feel the experience. Wow, it is the same thing that can come a few next year in the Catholic now also about it will tell you case when you minister of being your wife. So now no one said people there's not good for the night of and the woman so the love one was I'm to for now. Prefer.
Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening.
This is Mike.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes, Mike. Honorable Akwesi Appiah, as an honorable member of the assembly, it meets na television so I can say Unima Dia MP and in the common fund IR. So a principal and part of the person watching one, I was in the Usifo. We're going well mass. Our mass politics of hatred be personal hatred be for the MP, no. Among the MP, I know other TV so then they one man that are daddy can come or can come up with Juma MP Nebida in fear do be at Naso. And then yet the Abrantiani Ejuma why in fear me and son a compared to fear do no in any difference, no. Check government project. Government or Tia Accra or no, not only by his fantastic you are. Many people can want them.
Okay, I say good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, good afternoon.
If you want to show to feel this. So, opening Malaysia was pay for na Anabo Tamasako Abaso. Million more cano. Yarena Oslo. Nina said Yaya did about to say the Quatia coronavirus.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
We never free.
I'm the government, Miss Sunday says to be by. Now I hope that my question. Hello?
If I tell you too,
okay.
Ma, that's what I'm saying to you.
Mr. Sir, central government would may have been local government since 2006.
Okay.
Central government projects will be done that without Guarda Minister be in himself. I can pass it for ground. So, but now one is still a month 3 years. It's going to be bad baby. They don't just come. And this will be the castle. Then you all know up here. Or a patassi. That patassi to know. Okay, no, again,
okay, let us see. I was very struggling to get you, but it's okay. I think one a good point. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Do you have free?
We need to call you the
okay, it's you. About it's you. Hello.
Hello.
It's you. Why? It's you. But you're funny. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Happening again.
We need to free.
What's happening again?
I was happening into you. Okay, my friends here. Last caller now, on this. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay, you're fancy. Well, we say I'm Abigail from Joshua. I agree with Nana. Okay, I don't know. We say, good evening, Sir Mike. The able of Inshayaso will never make mistake of changing the hands. Okay, well, who told you man day? Sticker has shut the system and everybody is running header and scatter. Okay, and also at the buy. Right, honorable. You're very sorry. Put your friend for now. And the minimum set. The minimum.
Never say I'm say me say when I'm now Casacasa.
But when you worry, say, Honorable can come here, say 3.5 years came the meeting in Rabubina. Is it not an issue of worrying?
Every must say, we see our Casasamo.
I'm doing you. Okay.
Maybe they was only 7 days a canton. It is all to the treasure because he is at the same moment. You can say, came one or more, what that,
Also on meetings.
On meetings. Oh, Samai. What do you have for on meeting?
Okay.
Yes, Samai, Captain Bessa can say. I am more Cassa. Among chair at dear Potia, you can come by. I can't obey your own name. I mean to the 1 year to a woman, or maybe not a conscious I was happy. Okay. And not common fun so now. Almost say, or moon got there or do the end. As a common fun, almost a proprietor, yet Mitchell. Into what take care of the 1 year. Not about the Jessica Yedia, which one is away. Oh, but not the people say, I bet this people, I bet this can. No, what this can. Oh, you are the eye.
That's what that 3 months be an obessia the constituents no.
Sama Kenny, pictures in the beginning. I'm not assassin with ya. I'm not trying. I eat your friends at Yabra. I eat your friends at Taka. I could know one of the your friends and your papa. I know almost what you own. I haven't what you own. We are brother. What's almost on show? 3 months, you have a point from her. Mammy met me pictures in the which would only on the form. The form in your said. And then I make a someone face and I'm a raffle, I'm a pastor. Every year, this the moon a delicacy piece. I penny money be anyone. Among her, stand. And there's a woman say, this one to put out, say, but we think that we are to see me at home. Say, you mean you're on up. And we die. I must take us on one. Some of us. You who are not from the baby. Oh, but be a from Mr. Poda, be a moment for them. Okay. Oh, be a to be a moment because the same when from one fair woman. Or money can't have when one says, as some of kind. Said now, okay. In Jamaica, a form of a country or more times, or many of the family can come from Moody. Oh, sir, no contest. I don't know, no contest. May I say, sir, anybody to sir, could you watch me? Honorable can come, member of parliament for Isiaso constituency. Was there no contest? It is say the woman who's well Sudia, and a monk master put down, no Mr. Put down as well. A Bema woman, no me say a Bema, honorable. I may start here for Nasa. No question is a set no to me why my contest in the past one. Me, I have a party at 10. Wow, may come studio case. Set no to me a jive or much or no Panova. Oma dale omo Sudan dana oma sabe gina ha so mo nyehwe no e ma abato ne batwa enye ne to ne resource crowd meta de mu otu e de ache ota for studio ha meta de ama meta de mu otu e bo 5000 e de ache se contest ne baso e baswa de to so bi se contest ne baso ni biti honorable Kennedy can come less than 50 votes wa wene the American cattle society name wa onkono busa ne papa yi me say enye se obi see o mopa next time e ba me attendance list from 2016 and 17 till date ebeba say honorable Kennedy can come my meetings ba okra da but that's serious me your board member of KSTS or your board member of a whole maybe that who told you so baby and yet me TV ke to na tisu no and ko no TV na tisu asa ye mi agro how and the person what of KSTS o ma mi ti so o ma be that clear me o ma be that men ka say obisi o me a part of the assembly okay me say assembly meeting that nti uwie sticker dia was a sticker ban say here obi a me can't say 1 minute. 1 minute. In Shayaso, near cabinet slot. Okay. Suing, now cabinet slot. Paraso, now cabinet slot. Bantama, now cabinet slot. Say away. You hear Obia. Look at Georgina. They can't say, your friend saying, and these young boys, your friend, say, Bobby Dimame. Who the come back and look at what they are doing at the parliament. We need somebody who can Massa. Somebody who can do what? Dear, open to me a Cassava parliament. Now, what do you want? Be a something kind. Was your honorable to me, Cassa or parliament?
but if I discuss it, I don't need to.
And 2015, he made you honorable Canadian committee sets Eddie Dotana Nechi. Right. And now so the people of Inshaeso are crying and say if we break Canadian committee, won't have the party. It may come we have a party in for I could see an so say. See mistake. We are Tuaba. Now you get the say your contingency say on the poster. We should be very careful.
May I say. Honorable Akosia Pia. A Patasi Electoral Assembly member and then campaign team member at the Honorable Seminamwa, Maslow, see you. And I will be what is it? Contest the Baswa or bed check set that by idea I worth more than 5,000. Do me any contest? She has no contest. In the Ujumundia, never contest. Now, if you hear the ABC, said those winner no contest, so more contest now. Honorable can come every reading my hair, CEO sticker, the Sabunity Sumama, Mabu Neda and Abumida. Well, Yamada no, let it do her a and some be a few had it. Honorable can come will have to be here to answer those questions. So, okay, or call MP came a meeting of maybe that board member also for KSDS on call meeting that a dear never line. Right. You try to your bar. I'm on your phone, so I na yeti nko so ebe betum pon a ignan hye a amam mpanifo eye omanfo no so atimi aboa ama oman no atimi apija efiri atifi ekwa toye epuye ekosi anafo obi ache na adwen ebi so oman ne koso ebi so oman ne koso ebi no se fa so bon man so ntwerefo enuti na Kumau television yakofa dwumade ya to no din Sinupi ede ebrewo Sinupi amanyosem Sinupi eye nsem a yebu mosuko ene ebedwafo ahia adwada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 pm hia na ene abedwafo ahia anyenyo no man ho yenhwe kron man no befa so a ebetimi etumpo Sinupi onpen na da wo fo sen eno hu Ghana
ya mobo wo Ghana etisikaso o manya ohia mai nenam amamu a enkoyie ntino akomde
on penda da mahama so sisle
fertilizer ye kra ye tro say ye nton not for sale and obi de not do wan hu for sale ekuafo entimi antono akafa chiche omoma fertilizer na da hosa ema fertilizer na be say
wonso so edian ena kan edia for me ngo man no essay
ye ku adwuma ewo district yi my problem is we ku adwuma na isi abe ye owe oba fa ni nyina ase ni nyina abre unu obi ani oba beto nti wutia na ho kire na wutim nti ye hwemu ise galamsey no gold wa asase no ene sha ase ye de ahoden be ye ni sika de be ha fidie ba ye de ahoden e betutu fom ni ya pa ya no duane ti tutu ya so tutu ye nya kakra de beto duane abi enu ti ambato se ye tutu asase no
nti hia me se Mike adwada ekosi efiada 4:30 to 6:30 pm na yenhia ya bedwafo ni to adwen yehwe kwampa be fa so a oman no ebetumi atumpon
esan ebia ne esan ene se wo ka bi nhemu onwene ho se beto na abeto mpofrim na de atorentam bi abeto so ana o how bi abeto so eno ene efre no esan wo san ne sen esan etimi mobi ebubugu dem esan etimi mobi ekọ ohaw bi mu a ompe esan etimi mobi ko pie prison esan etimi yetwa obi nsa esan etimi yetwa obi nan esan ti obi ajapade nyina ahye esan ti obi ahwere ne kunu esan ti obi ahwere ne dofo bi esan ti obi aware ya sen esan ti obi akwa abrochire ama ya san de naba what sign is saying Miss Me sign is saying where you might be at your dear brow Kumawood TV yes Sinkonya na fe asama ato pen a de atorentem bi abrɛw no ye no watrase na fe ya bobo ho ye di ho nkomo na aboa ye nua bi a esan bi nto no da na ama ono nso aye ahweyie se esan bi ato da na ediwa ko situation bi mu ama enne watimi afiri mu a ye invite you se bra na ene won trase na yen share experience together fa number na fresh sia na ene wo entwetwe eho enkomo 0244 294066 fre na ene producers no enkasa within Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos betin so afremi Steve a sign etumutu obia Kumawood top 10
the way I love you now nobody go feel love you like I do man up I want text you and not you be oh yeah boy you got the air for me hope I come for
Anna ya dey every Monday
na say what do me do wo pay me pay wo to wo share me wo do me pay me che wo do Mommy come jogodo
when I wake up you be first thing
right yes I am here for Sinopi on Kumawood television yebuso ye din komo ye ne honorable critical cam and office eka no we edusu a wa woni bi obe ye wa bo djuma de wuzu bitu ya djuma na ode akonya no ama no e body for atnasi e benya no de komo ne komo no be ye mienu on the COVID-19 the benefobia has ya eka the latest aba teacher for the professor Stenade and Gempa rector and they are to just say 50% of salaries staff 150% where any free some if you come kwajuma you almost say ya na ko ansa ma kwajuma dia and ya ban to market you no esifa only for free non fa efa emo be di no komo and then electoral commission I want commander subuso and they ma message ya no assign election to kasa we say a kwambi aso ye be new voter register 25 at the police station Juba near my number if you are doctor or about student idea near my number no about 4:30 before 4:30 anu aba no so abi di queue sa na be ya no a almost ko mo ya ready bi no almost bi nya kwanya register Dr. Benedifa senior lecturer Kumasi Technical University Dr. Baba
ya no ase man
boko de
ba bi adaro ma bi ache o mo na ye fe
medasi
Kumawood emza hafawa
right so na obokumensa NDC Asante Regional Communication Team member apai enyago obanya baba
ya no ase mai
bokore
otwede ampada roma
sa kono mo boko
ya me adom
ya de no e ho fom
ya re nya register bi
munya bi kra
enya bi ya me adaroma but the only unfortunate incident is ukwade twamu ina na otweme no pepe na ya vice chairman NDC ya vice chairman Alhaji Ibrahim Mubarak na yo constituency executive meeting okasa we are in less than 1 minute and now collapse here ya rush na to Kumawood Masigaba Hospital anyi
meeting na okasa no collapse
okasa we are what the meeting progress ya the who say ese ne home na nya papa then ya rushing to Kumawood Masigaba Hospital
ade ne mafia practice na mo bi ho koma na
let me say normal party meeting
it's about kind na ansa na o beto na mo nsia no unu say yesempa o kwa ale no ko heaven
say onwa we be a medically onye so healthy and na unfortunately no say fasting me doctor there but I could see say no yeah a factor but you see as Muslims I don't come for GD say onipa ntumi enye nipa nkwa say kramuni ana Muslim bi awu a ogidi ye say otwedi ampon na afre no enti the other can say nyame and find a crazy because at the point no ye fasting or chine kom a bomb paya so nyam senko maybe di na wa free mono migidi ye say e sha ye fast the mabusan yako migidi ye say a sapa otwa wo NDC ye party mono so mo ba sa ye waje wachi no say ye so ye adwumade na kakra wo ye ja ho no so ban fa so I believe say baby obi anani baje
ye time let here pa but we teacher ni is a motivate professor se na dey say ke be ya makatua no say motivate am ko adwuma mon ko kra so am ya say dey mbara no obi a ho to no gan ha mon ko dey katua nkenti 50-50 na ban 50 na mo so 50
sabai me da say mechia ahwefo nyina ni tiro ne NDC fo a wo tie me meko Asante Achim Central na machia me constituency chairman 24 dia dodo na adinum na no any executive sir or kano Samai Professor Stephen Ade or a professor wachra there on several occasions several years and or they are called na homeji most times so kasa na Ghana for dodo na nye yen teacher bana teacher for nko but asemo kafa enwosua ho any teacher for ho no na the response and a reaction I free Ghana for oba no say papa no ya otie sa reactions na mejidi ye say enkense say okasakra bio because papa him maybe a twem was a teacher for more public school crowd o mo nkyere hwe o mabon e ma Ghana for do lamba stay no na wo na me ya asemo abekan ya I'm sorry, GRA, Ghana Revenue Authority. I'm sorry, board chair. And I was National Development Planning Commission. And so I'm sorry, is it the chairman or whatever? One air chair. Yes. He holds these two positions. Or GRA or GRA allowances. The question and then let me be fair, and then we go say last year around this time no. What you say, teacher need to go classroom ana. 2 years ago, what you say around this period, teacher need to go classroom ana. Samai, yente Ghana na kufa the say all private and public schools we are closing right from the primary school to the universities. And yet president kai. Na den no kai. The entire president can say, we share Ghana ha ya de ko de wo COVID-19 ya bai. Yarea say international protocol World Health Organization protocol Ghana Medical Association protocol Ministry of Health any the Ghana Health Service travel aside nipa baby and school na say Ministry of Education say almost the proposals from the various teacher unions. Now, almost a campaign of a school. NAGRAT, NAT, CCT, any other teacher unions, they say. And near my yet say the baby school. Because a mayor, you say, you baby school. COVID-19 cases is over 6,000. How they are there? And now, say the mayor 300, 200 crowd. You close the school down. And mayor escalated to 6,000 in the Brosan. It is not prudent to say baby school. And then a bunch here. I want to come to Ghana National PTA, that's Parent Teacher Association. Almost so Abba Kabakaze. Almost 3 months go to school because the way I name is the system not and yet see baby school. Do you know fancy for? One be a school within a short time and Koda at your soul 70 and when be. Okay. Producer the video better so near the Morphono said here, or a year, Eramone said the Omoye, Omukusua, near Busase, or my Ghana, over video more. Yeah, you beat me a Ghana. Was not. Aha, and so the American also a man on it, and a Maya, Jimmy, and Goma Tumpon. And one would not make continue a crown. Or would be a school for you know what has happened. So measures bɛn na aban ne de to mo se yɛn decongested classrooms yɛ bɛ decongested classrooms a classroom wa bi a nkɔda 70 nkɔda 40 nkɔda 50 yɛ decentralize the sign I mean yɛ decongested the sign ɛna teacher form so yɛ ko bi a bɛ ka ho no ma kyerɛ ade ana so these are lingering questions a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ adopt a serious scientific approach sɛ yɛ ga yɛ adopt the approach a wɔn mpanyin de fight COVID na wɔn yɛ teacher form na wɔn ntumi na asayɛ mind you a teacher friends and nurses and as a doctors a wɔn mu mpo nurses ne doctors a wɔn kora na wɔn hwɛ Ghana foɔ yɛn ɛwɔ wɔn mu ano.
mo hwɛ no video na yɛ ka ho asɛm wo yɛ de no fo no yɛ
na the question we need to ask ourselves is saa nneɛma na abɔfo no yɛn yɛ put in place mechanisms ɛ bɛyɛ bi ana the question is no so why do we rush to a new school.
many prof
nya adwen ketekete koraa because sɛ Mike wohwɛ nneɛma ɛkɔ so wɔ amanɔne anaasɛ aman a wɔbɛto mpɔn na yɛyɛ ntumi nyɛ bi government na bɛhyɛ yɛbɔ sɛ ɔbɛma nose mask anaa government na bɛhyɛ yɛbɔ sɛ sɛbi hand sanitizers ɔbɛtumi ama yɛ bi na sɛ Mike wokɔ the very basic of education a KG P1 P2 P3 a nkɔdaa no asa sɛ wontumi ɛmɔ nkyɛn so because wɔwɔ akɔ so wɔbɛyɛ sɛ do we have what it takes say bit no contain san kwala nana now yeni atichafoɔ de yeni we no to tell yes yenko atichafoɔ where say yen atichafoɔ asaka piano yen chemu mi nanka o fafa Professor Stephen Ade the question we need to ask ourselves is edim emra hyehyɛ wo ye wo masua atichafoɔ ho no woni mana onim he knows zero
okay
because say asem o ka no when they all can and one can say I think I've won for almost 50% enter on mine because on mine safa because I think I've won trade so if I think I've won trade I didn't know so I'm just kapia so anymore and then one can say on pia teacher for because over GS and as a Ghana a woman sooner as she must teacher ni bia go school and now maku do to us wa as that teacher no I just want you to ready so when the man you can say teacher for on pia na ọma aditafoɔ aka piano ɔmo nye 30 seconds mi de ma musi kura no ɛnna yɛ ɔkɔ bibi mu a ɛwɔ ɔmo yɛ mo mpanyin kufoɔ time ministerfoɔ a na ɔmo wɔ so a na abɛn kɔ kufoɔ akɔ yɛ president ɔka ho no ɔmo nso ɔmo salary arrears owó ɛkɔdɔ maa mi bi ɔmo wu nyinaa di nhyɛm ɔmo nso ɔmo kɔgye na deɛ ɔmo kɔgye a yɛ titafoɔ a anaasɛ titafoɔ Ghana a ɔmo no sɛde ɛnyɛ ɔmo na akɔfa yare aba na yare ni nti yɛsɛ yɛn transe sɛbi ayi koraa no asɔre koraa sɛ nkramofoɔ kɔ yɛ asɔre yɛn akristofoɔ kɔ yɛ kɔ asɔre koraa no mo sɛ mo me yɛnkɔ na asɔre yɛ nipa kakra bi na yɛkɔ transe some few hours no mo sɛ yɛntumi kɔbɔ mpaeɛ a sukuu a yɛkɔ tena mo 8 hours na nkɔraa bɔ apee so ne yɛbɛtumi akɔ ɛno bi sɛ wɔn mo amanyɔfo owura sɛmiadɛ sɛ wɔn mo gye wɔn allowance owura kufu adum koraa no so many years ago allowance akam koraa mo sɛ mo gye a in the face of COVID yẹn gasi ẹni ọdún mu kituwe na mu adagye.
right Oboku Mensah regional communication team member for the NDC ɛna o ti sɛ ɔne Professor Stephen Ade ɛnya adi teacher fo kɛtɛ nisha akara mu ano mo mu nyɔma adeɛ sɛ ɔbɛ wɔte so a ɔbɛ de asɛm ba senior lecturer dot.
ɛsɛmai maame nkyia yahɛfo nyinaa ɔmo hwɛ bi ɔmo tie ɔmo rɛdi nkyia no ɔbɛdwafoɔ apamfo ɛnɛ maame sɛ wayɛ NPP ne NDC no ɔsane yɛyɛ de
ɔmo yɛ NPP fo one
ɛna afei na NDC
o de ɔyɛ NDC ɛna ɔyɛ social communicator
ɛna video Oboku Mensah wɔ akɔ aba ɛsɛmai yɛkyia santema ne atiefoɔ a lẹ́dí Professor Ade lèdi kan sɛ wɔnya professor nti no yɛda lèdi wɔsɔ ne deɛ ɔnyɛ awiansa na wɔtɔ akɔdu hɔ na ɛnɛma rigid n'asɛm na ɔkan no baa yɛ sɛ yɛyɛ afa no out of context from right up na mo hwehwɛ yɛ ne deɛ he was of the view ɔno na de ne se teacher unions no submitted or input he will have wasted why is the motive in the can you always suggested I didn't know that I can't be or say I'm going to about that say one did you teacher for
Say suggestion or demo.
It's not
suggestion.
Oh, Debbie. After all, you can't find a teacher in Zolong. No, to me, so few. However, said the 11 year later, a bunny, a coin, which will be a connected economy on the various component member. And one phase is education, which is very vital. Say that's it now. We are seeing in spite of COVID, will be a economy still.
Okay.
So we must also find a way. First and last address, no, I said, we teach stakeholders. Now I have find a way up and back to our normal situation. And education sector is one of them. I'm a young other unions, or more into call. And then the ultimate annual said, so if they will even say maybe other parts of the sectors, no crana, school board, you can class. I have a suggestion about but also taking it to that extreme now. So now we will one in the first place, we are not in normal times. And in such situations, we take normal decisions. And the teachers don't know so we say go school. And we are the first situation. And not two, government now they sign so much chance normally plans on the rule out how very good school also ever. You are at the end of the day, focus and crowding corner teachers are quiet. And also you see the now the abandoned people can say what's there? You can say teachers in court, but the cost implications say are real. So they say the whole year of time they said we wanted to contain this. We trace and possibly we treat. And the kakra yebo kakra na this is also the teacher Obia back. Call the Obia now Obia complains as a few graph and to compact the health implication. Or no matter what say that although a GR in the other I'm tempted to believe so obviously it means I stand for correction make one of our promises not exactly. Let's say so model school, very nice school.
Yeah. What we did by the brother is where you need just Indian.
And him also on the other side now, something like a private man or but the hand you're not only an employer. And the that side perhaps is going against him. And he is more like pulling such strings. A band mapper, because him as a private man will be official to guys to say you clean the school, but he shouldn't do that. So no just on his side say because of so another private entity, the whole school France near that place school wasn't crying go school. I think some of them have quickly reverted some of those decisions because situation is so simple sir was nipa and paying for university level. No chance to find one student to one room, hostels. Now, classroom over 20 in the room. And now, we have to do much. The culture, culture, said they are hopefully good. What's the point of Lucia?
Video, no, from the only yesterday, where is it to me?
We now, what's the development country? Trying to find
those ones are diffused if you
school grad count the number of students. If you have such a number of students, I don't think that we can. And the president continue at the to a level of the Babaka and quiet mass spreading. And to me, Professor Abed, they said the number of Americans, sometimes the utterances or say or a baffle. I guess I assembly do baby and as in training, he was said as a professor here. Now Kasa, like the education sector, he was one professor, he was been a rector of Ginta before. And she finally was the teachers below the crowd will appreciate. But yes, now you're aware that there is the unions now. And to best ready so we know that himself will not tread that line he said. And I said go and slash salary say 50%.
On what ground? Grounds men.
About no young.
Other teachers from 185. There are other places do all they are running ship systems. No, what I mean is from instead of Obi also called Monday to Friday. But now they are running ships. This week of Monday, Tuesday. Now other colleagues do about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Before we go on Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday. Nobody is working apart from a few of us. Yes.
Someone wants to see you.
Want to feel. We are going to end the second semester online, virtual system. And I don't know the
Mama students no actually that was not online.
Yeah, but it's happening like
that. So many years say will be
yes.
Maybe or maybe a network.
We are making
will be say your quantum baby.
Yes.
Will be a number baby. Will paga. Maybe a area now or maybe or 10 network no better
what we've done that I know other institutions are also doing. We have learning management system. And you know, it normally works with internet here. But those without internet, what institutions are doing, for instance, if I can start telling this for instance, they are printing reading materials. Or printing reading materials now will become education centers in the various districts. And you have to go also do a contract education office. Or they say hard copy reading materials now they notify the Papa. So if it happens, example online, after the learning you can do. But we are making provisions. We are looking at a percentage of about 80% coverage. If we cover that, or when we get back to the face-to-face, yes, we will find a way to cater for them. And we are doing this, and so the organization too busy. Any people who have increased the demand. Unlike the previous time, sorry, class, the slide will not be charged. But now you need to modify the slide, make it a self-learning material. So that you put it on the platform, the student go there, eventually now then you do a live session as well. And you demand a course. So I'll come in here. And you can pass a more time in that direction.
So me say yaw in cancer right from Atibugu Amante. I say Mike, tell the GS to stop what they want to do to the teachers and let Professor Ade know that he cannot let us go to opposition. Greetings to Nanama, my wife. Okay, on the other Abba and teacher constitution and so the other Abba Efimia Mwasi or saying Professor Stephen Ade should keep quiet. Is he the PRO for Ministry of Education? Ghana is battling with two pandemics right now. The first one is NDC and the second is the COVID-19. Voting for NDC again is like importing coronavirus from Wuhan to Ghana. Greetings to Honorable Dr. S.E. Nyama Kwadaso MP. And then teacher constitution Tepa Enesuso also writes, I am glad the EC is being proactive. The EC must be allowed to carry out its constitutional mandate without fear or any intimidation. We are not in a jungle, and if anyone feels aggrieved, they must go to courts. And also Honorable S.K. Nyama Kwadaso MP. Stephen Francis is also right. The needless war of words with the EC must stop. Every free Ankara and his NDC should leave the EC to work in peace and go to court to seek redress if they have case. Regards to Mr. William Frempong Bonsu, aka Joe Willie of Esutify North constituency. Nana Nkrumah also from Suhum right. Semai, good show this afternoon. When will you allow us to also come for rep your candidate? We are ready to come to Kumasi to rep our candidate. But please tell the NDC if they like it or yes, they will lose the election. Farouk Goshadi I say it is obvious the minority NDC have no alternative to the competent delivery of President Akufo-Addo and have chosen to be transgressing by resorting to propagandist legal gymnastics to frustrate the EC from carrying out its mandate. But Kofi, it will not and will not. As a greetings to Honorable Ato Essien, okay, that they are also the Abano. Balabusa also writes from Kasua, it is good to have a party with ailment. So Mike, can't you see that since they came to power, trouble, always trouble, now it's also trouble. Why don't you agree with us to vote this government out? Okay, Dr. Baba Zanu, Master Planner, Kintampo, the NDC should stop their hypocrisy. Why should they think we can use one day to vote with this huge number of registered voters, but we cannot use several days to register these same people? Konkonsa power any. And so I said, wow, say my good job, God bless you. DJ Sammy B Asante Achem Dapon. Say my regards to DJ Possible. Okay, none of the other Abba, I don't know. Right, we just say good evening. I'm watching you live on Kumaru TV. In fact, what the lawyer said about the teachers payment is unfair. Teachers are ready to teach, but looking at the situation we are in now, how can teachers go to school with this situation? Even teachers' salaries are not all that good. How can you deduct 50% from it? I don't think it will help. Ayim Isaac from Enyahini. Ayim the Abano. Ayim teacher for lady at the yes, I can the Nanya cry. And they want teacher for it, say, who you at the Mao. We say, I regret being a teacher and will regret being a teacher. This government does not respect teachers at all. What has it done for teachers? What was his campaign message and what has been able to do? Hypocrisy in NPP will kill them. Nana Yasantua. Next time let me know if you are the Ifria or the Ebana ATV MY. Right, Doc, I have a electoral commission. 25 at the police station. And then Omo money I really can also get opportunity to register. Also Ghana for Omo and never go 25 in the free one. Oba secretary of the we lecture so we could do police station. Nobody come and 25 numbers and you know one. Omo say on the my number. Now I can time say about 4 p.m. bra. Now be registration. Fair. Just anytime no including the result of the police station. Omo say 25. Only few weeks or so at the best. How flexible is this?
Oh, so electoral commission. If I go by your way, what you are saying, you are asking how feasible. It's feasible, provided and if we all come on board, especially the big two parties. If NDC and MPP come on board, it's feasible.
My information is it royal form. I don't know if it's royal FM, but then it just actor on the form what now I said for one would be
yo, somebody to say if you simply ask me, are they possible? But in this case, if you are asking if it's feasible, and my caution is this. If MPP, NDC, and all these political parties come together and then sort a way out, it will work. Now we have a bone of contention, which again, MPP in opposition does register yes, NDC then in power, yes, now MPP is in power. Still, they will say comments and register. NDC is also saying no. But the power lies with the electoral commission. And then the electoral commission is also saying they've resolved. And then they've decided, they've resolved on the yearly voter register. Now, I've heard this before with press conference and other legitimate issues.
but please, both parties should judge up. Well, one, NDC cannot authority say, hey, come what me hear my name. And the NDC cannot also say they can do without NDC because it's a big political party. So it's all about getting them on board and then also explaining things that they think they are not clear with. Or church but say or at a point, but I was looking for this is some years I did with teacher, and I was thinking that they will even bring some innovative ways. If I say innovative ways, I was thinking say me and say it to him. Say they said so what did you do platform they are now paying you something like passport and they say it online. It's an easy so cassette. They are creative baby. Those who can read and write, go there, feed your information so that you don't by the time you come to your polling station. So they provide all the polling stations, you select your polling station, upload the needed document. Then the day you go there, if you have a picture and one you travel, and now you have a fingerprint, then you go. But I don't see why there's also if they think say the one is to have copy paper and although our friends said they are going to want to increase the polling station, but the normal voting, you don't want each polling station to be more than 500. So they are about the 2 years on due delays now. But I'm telling you, I'm matching a granny and claiming. So the idea said they want to create more polling stations. And somebody said
33,000 plus polling stations.
What was the old? The old was at 26,000. Good. If it goes down, then I say the plans only have to man NDC for before you now. The way they all see, no one say, oh, they say the tier. But now NDC is broken. But I must say, situation you may have situation on the NDC started taking against this before COVID-19. And today it's like now it is a station. And I think like over here they are the month June, July, so better to turn and before. And I'm saying apart from election day, which is mandatory share constitution, set 7th. All other activities of the EC, they're German, or discretion. All this is there is a time period also comparing register review and the parties. And one might do the maybe they can't leave NDC out because register. We have the command or no political party, no watching, no also the human no making input. In doing it, carry them along. And to make it's possible. And to the issue between the EC and Electoral Commission, EC and NDC. Now you guys is our threat to never or we'll use all means and whatever. I don't know.
You didn't come up on an electoral commission. No command meeting too. NDC still now more standing by say more.
Yay, within the NDC. Yay, profile say cast them without basis. Your stance say yes, man. You be new registration and change it. Now, Samai, register you say, and this for young folks, see a bear for your reasons, and as you know, so no, they are very solid. It's firmly grounded in law, and then resonate well with common sense. Before I hear new your friends say, one more day share back from my new register. Omoka say, old register near one, old ID cards near one. So be Ekutabia. I think the EC's own your friends IT person. One is city TV for your interview. So be what old ID card now. And who you say, we go through the rigorous process. The answer we are say you do card ne kwa uba data na you be migrating onto the new system
That is exactly what the electoral commission what has changed. So you could clearly say electoral commission where that one kind of right. Then aside from that, Mame Jimensa MPP na Oma Kofana ba for my election ne MPP ni ba ko Bosman Asare. Sa Ura Jimensa ne Ura Bosman Asare omu miemu. Specifically per their overtures, per their pronouncements, what means that they are there somewhere MPP for it. And this is very dangerous for our, democracy. They are not conducting themselves well. And managing men's our IE. Okay, say Charlotte say should listen to the other stakeholders. Ebrana and Tawantawa being should be bow by a battle. But the mayor managing men's electoral commission chairperson. Yeah, advice of man Charlotte say the same advice man. Or say the IPAC and the electoral friends other stakeholders. And some of them can there. And when we mere advisory bodies, she's not bound by any laws or then some of them can be here. So you could clearly say, management or you'll be aware that half of them can. Then aside from that, we have seen that there's a grand scheme. The electoral commission on the NIA, they are in cahoots or not count Tamamba no say. Ghana what do now or qualify for the system. Because Professor Kenatefa or that electoral commission, share say obey electoral affairs the NIA registration. Now, I shall pass what they are fake every and then I would need to has this year. I shall form more trade. There was at the bread banner NIA for starting registration up to date the data from the electoral commission friends the NIA actually say all of my register or more and for 18 years or more I will qualify from Traban 6.5 million Ghanaians. Aside from that, information through Ministry of Foreign Affairs or what say Ghana for kuta friends passport I will qualify from Traban about 2 million. And do the couple man your friends 2 plus 6, that is 8.5 million. As we speak today, your Ghana for qualify for Motoaba or about 17 million Ghanaians. Now, Sawoka say, you use your friend say the NIA card, any passport. You will clearly see say a greater percent of Ghana for qualify for Motoaba. You better send franchise work. Now, they are also saying say, you bet my voucher for you bet me I could date in the more amankufu. That process no very cumbersome, very Herculean, discriminatory.
But before then, Royal Phone Company Limited, they say Toba airship and the fire service for any abuse for any Bushnam area. Monko Emfa MI the videos like you also you bet me show any actually. Facebook, more crowd, more the other messages no. We Abrantia Park Emmanuel was say I'm watching you live from Sokoban, a candidate that has strategic plans to develop HISO and build human resource capacity. I choose Honorable Credit can come for HISO constituency. Okay, finance are there. Was a good evening, Sir Mike. Good show by all standard. Watching you live from Atosu Auto. Finance, yeah, that's it. Queen AJ was a nice program today. Yeah, that's it. Okay. 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Wait me up na ya fa mo say e breno e yete ko wait me up na fi ya fa who to aswami do NIA say NIA for registration wo mo distribute cars ni we e na me Jim Mensa say obey registration e do one ma mo san kan card no o me den mo manya kwan afa so registration. Now if you look at Abu Ramadan case or the choir Chief Justice Judge Dawood deliver judgment and now ruling one. Or can I say the document widely held by many Ghanaians, most Ghanaians, your friends say the voter ID card. Okay. So the Supreme Court of this land, I will really say the document is credible.
Ghana for no will be a say in Twaba. Your friends of water, so I didn't know more.
Good evening, senior. Greetings. Gathering Ghanaians to register during this coronavirus pandemic is pure wickedness on Ghanaians because upon all protocol observed, our infection is increasing and time to election. Why is NPP now running away from the register? Okay, young power national young Moses, good evening.
Yes,
good evening. Good.
The friend teacher Allah.
Teacher means you.
But me da wasini my family dey go my Ghana na mi so bebre. Na kaka mo me ka se father mi say teacher for me work for exam me tifu. But then we dey the teacher for any school for school. The main more kind teacher for fact Fiante akuma suyu nti on kan tin dey na say reflect abanity so no. And then now on kan tin teacher for akuma to you me da bebre.
Okay, and so that's also between 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. A good screen and wait me that. Was it Semai? I can't believe Professor Ade was also a teacher. It is a disgrace to the teaching profession with his comments about teachers. Ghanaians are now ready to vote his NPP government come 2020 election from teacher go fresh inside Bosome Frehon. Okay, teacher go fresh and so teacher for him said I'm go for power prof but chance I am more teacher for no for no I was so well
auntie send na make am so wo hwe ni over document ya make am was ya Supreme Court aje atum mame George Wood enema ojina justice nanam eye saabule so say your document aje atum ye mra and Supreme Court ruling na e dey ntina mame Jimeza so onye ntu now where that 1992 constitution na
okay yanko good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello. Na mama volume of your TV na perform na what you on phone. Oh yes, I bet me at okay. Good evening. Okay, I think sir continue now.
Wo we na dia to constitution na. The na dia to constitution kasa Ghana ni ba biara wo kire kwan a na obi o qualify for to aba. Ghana ni baby a wanya fie du nwotwe and I said
hello good evening.
Good evening.
Ni ga free.
The free is short form.
Okay, yet you.
Na the back of the free is short form.
How yet you?
Na me da na wo the same discussion na so wo. Na voter ID card no be wado. I the share no be ya da feel nyama nti ya da feel na wo be changing in the new one wo better me the same normal another wo be different normal because me there about why ya to na dan no ya biometric voter ID card no biometric nti new one where ya you are biometric o do wo so Sudan sana nti me ada all biometric no do what.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Paco. But Royal Foam, you say 1 hour. It was so shit. 5 tenants are going in Sunasa. Shiana Airship. The best fire service are more around the Ashanti region across the region. And meet me at the 90 minutes. Well, you're going to invest in the
sorry, 1992 constitution. It's a choir and I will qualify for 12. The 1992 constitution, the anchor says, the Winnie Ghana Kada. And I will passport, I won't do it to other. So, who share the airport now?
It is simple. The question is that I don't know from court. The moon will say,
so we are in court. We are going to court.
Okay. And once the issue is in court, let's wait and see what the legal brain.
You see, in as much as a court, no, Emma the ruling, there is, you know, so where we let's assume that they are 2021 or member ruling. Then and this near that stakeholder near to it. So we have to speak. Right. We have to speak. More media for no. Say yes or no vote. Muji jina say yes tomorrow. I know I will draw you. This is about time you waged the same war against the EC. That
Castle was regional communication team member for the NDC. I say in them one. Now you say no to the electoral commission. Doctor.
That's right. No, I say as of now, this year you are laid before Parliament. Until Mesro NDC for say you know we for MPP and NDC. I come Russia with them. They should go there. So I'm also call for. I think says here an amendment from the old CI and no more amendment. In the amendment, then I say take. I think there were 5 requirements, and at this time, almost 82 were free. And before I pursue at that level. Now, if Parliament never so if Parliament passes the law, I court no very difficult. The court over you because Parliament passes now that stand post I said they should find way so that we all Jojo and then come.
Doctor Bernard.
Ponwa. Ina share ama mumpenifo eye. Omanfo no so atimi aboa ama oman no atimi apija. Efira tifi ekwa poye. Epoye ekosi anafo. Obi a che na adwen. Ebi so oman na ekoso, ebi so oman na nkoso. Ebi no se fa so bo no man so ntwerefo. Enu ti na Kumawu television. Yakofa dwuma de ato no din Sinupi e de ebrewo. Sinupi e amanyosem. Sinupi eye nsem a ye bu mosuko ene ebedwafo ahia. Edwada ekosi fiada 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Share na ene abedwafo nhia. Anyenyo no man ho. Yenhwe kron man no befa so a ebetimi etumpo. Sinupi on ben nada wo kufado. Sen eno hu Ghana.
Ya mobo wo Ghana. Etisika so o man nya ohia man. Nenam amamu a enkoyie enti no. Ekom de ye.
On ben nada mahama so sese.